nimekasirika na leo nisikie. Hebu salimia kama wewe ni mama. Today is your day, you should be happy. So, I'm here on behalf of the CSE Paradise Dancers. We have a speech to our moms. Hope itawatouch tu mali huko. Today I feel deeply honored to stand before you as we gather to celebrate one of the most meaningful occasions of the year, Mother's Day. Today is more than a celebration. It is a heartfelt tribute to the women whose love, sacrifices, patience and strength shape our lives in ways words cannot explain. Mothers are the foundation of our families, the light within our homes and the silent heroes behind many of our successes. To all the mothers here today, thank you. Thank you for the endless care you give so selflessly, for the sleepless nights, the unwavering support, and the unconditional love that never fades. Your encouragement gives us confidence. Your wisdom guides us through life, and your kindness teaches us the true meaning of compassion and humanity. Mothers are not only caregivers, they are mentors, protectors, teachers, and our greatest friends. Even in moments when we doubted ourselves, you believed in us. When we felt weak, you became our source of strength. Your faith in us often became the reason we found faith in ourselves. Mother's Day carries different meanings to the different people. Today, we celebrate our mothers who work tirelessly every single day, often without recognition. To the mothers who feel unseen or unappreciated, please remember this. Your efforts matter more than words can describe, and your love leaves a lasting impact on the lives you touch. We also take a moment to remember those who have lost their moms and carry their memories in their hearts today. May love, comfort, and peace surround you. To the women who long to become mothers or never had the opportunity to do so, you are nurturing spirit, kindness, and ability to take care of others remain deeply valuable and worthy of honor. Today is for every woman who supports, protects, inspires, and loves, even when no one notices the sacrifices she quietly give to us each day. To all the mothers and mother figures around the world, you are seen, you are appreciated, you are valued, and above all, you are truly incredible. Happy Mother's Day, and may you continue to be blessed with happiness, strength, and love. Thank you.